Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily configure your Hotmail account in Outlook. Let's begin. First, open up the official Outlook in your desktop. Make sure you are logged in into the correct account. And once you're here, I want you to click on this icon, which is the settings. Click on it, then just head over to Files, and you will notice the option Import, Export. So we will click on Import, and here you will notice a button, Start Import. So click on it. From here, you will actually need to select your data or files from your Outlook. So let's just say you have successfully selected the files. Just click on Browse in here and select any folder where you have successfully downloaded your data. So this is actually the easiest way that you can import your data, emails, files, and account settings and integrate them in Outlook. So this might take a while. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection. Depending on the size of your files and data, it might take a few minutes. So just be patient. And once everything is done, Outlook will actually inform and notify you through Windows or Microsoft. Then get back in here and your account has been fully integrated. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.